So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the mouse is automatically scrolling the pages for you. Now if there is any hardware issue, you may need to change your mouse, but you can give it a try that it may be a software issue. Now in order to fix that, simply right click on the start menu, click on device manager. Here you simply need to go to the mouse adapters. You can easily find the mouse or the trackpad right there. Here it says mice and the other pointing devices. Click over there, and here it says HID compliant mouse. Click over there. Any of the mouse that is connected to here will be listed over there. Hit on that particular mouse. Click on update drivers. Click on browse from my computer. Click on let me pick from a list, and here select the HID compliant mouse, hit next and install that particular driver. That's definitely gonna solve your problem. Now give a restart to your system and your problems will be solved. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.